Welcome everybody. Today I will be reviewing the Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB projector. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out. This projector's 4K PRO-UHD technology ensures breathtakingly sharp visuals with exceptional color accuracy and detail. Whether you're watching blockbuster movies, streaming TV shows, or gaming, the HDR10 compatibility brings every scene to life with vivid brightness and true-to-life colors. The dynamic contrast ratio of 1:0:0:0:0:0 to 1 ensures deep blacks and brilliant highlights, making it perfect for both dark and well-lit rooms. Epson's advanced 3-chip LCD design eliminates the dreaded rainbow effect seen in some projectors, offering smooth, artifact-free visuals. This makes the 5050 UB ideal for critical viewers who demand immersive and uninterrupted cinematic experiences. The 5050 UB is equipped with motorized lens shift, zoom, and focus capabilities, allowing for effortless installation in virtually any room setup. The wide lens shift range ensures perfect alignment without the need for complicated adjustments or placement restrictions. Capable of projecting screen sizes of up to 300 inches, the Home Cinema 5050 UB transforms any space into a professional-grade theater. Its HDR performance, combined with 10-bit color processing, ensures stunning depth and detail, even in the most complex scenes. Despite its powerhouse performance, the Epson 5050 UB operates quietly, ensuring minimal distractions during intense movie scenes or gaming sessions. The Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB 4K PRO-UHD 3-chip projector is an investment in unparalleled visual excellence. Its combination of advanced technologies, vibrant colors, and versatile installation options make it one of the best choices for creating a premium home theater experience. Whether you're a cinephile, gamer, or someone who simply loves big-screen entertainment, this projector will exceed your expectations. The Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB sets a new standard for premium home theater projectors, delivering unparalleled picture quality, cutting-edge technology, and versatility that caters to both enthusiasts and casual viewers alike. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out.